Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Today is another Tablescape Sunday, and this one is being hosted by Cynthia Shesobless and her co-host Diva Dynasty. Now Cynthia asked that we put together a dollar store tablescape using any of your dollar store items from any of your dollar stores, and you could have chose your tablescape to be Farmhouse or Glam. It was your choice. As you can see here in my video, I chose Farmhouse because this is some items that I already had on hand. So my tablescape was a no spin. She also wanted you to add your video to the playlist and go by and show all the hosts some love and be a subscriber to that channel. And be sure to watch the playlist of all the other creators. So let's take a look around my tablescape. So I want to briefly stop a moment and share with you these mason jars. Here you see it says 11/7/17. Yes, I had these jars about 2 years. They have been sitting in my garage and I decided to pull them out. I thought they would be great on a farmhouse tablescape. And as you can see here, I'm pulling one out the box for you. They are still brand new. And it just say ball mason. And on the back side it has a fruit engraving. So I got these from Target about 2 years ago. And there's a label where you put your label expiration date if you're canning something. I also decided I was going to add just a little greenery on my tablescape. So here on my table setting, you see I added a black bowl. I also added a white dessert plate. And these are things I already had on hand. A little greenery. I also have a white plate that was purchased from the Dollar Tree last year. And the chargers you see there are also from the Dollar Tree. And I purchased this buffalo check napkin set from Hobby Lobby last year. Also have a tablescape that I did on this. Use these same napkins last year. I will try to link it in the icons above. And the table mats are from Home Goods and they came in a set of 6. So everything you see here is a no spin. The gather sign already had. I shared with you the mason jars. And also the green ball I already had, the white picture, and I already had these beautiful lanterns. And I just added some buffalo check ribbon to the top of them. At this time, I would like to thank the host, Cynthiashesobless, and all the co-hosts for this Tablescape Sunday. Guys, please don't forget to go by and check out all the other creators on the playlist. And if you are new here, welcome to the channel. This is a lifestyle channel where we like doing shopping hauls, home decor, DIYs, Dollar Tree hauls, and tablescapes. And we would love if you join our family by clicking the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double tap that notification bell so that way you know when I upload new videos. And to all my faithful and returning subscribers, you know I do really love and appreciate your support. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful evening. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.